NADCAP NAS 410 Level 3 Consulting for Aerospace NDT programs presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Mobile number is +917359458455. Good day everyone. Welcome to today's technical session on NADCAP NAS 410 Level 3 Consulting Services for Aerospace Non-Destructive Testing Programs. This session is presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. I specialize in engineering consultancy providing services in aerospace certification, special process accreditation, and quality system implementation. In the aerospace and defense industry, quality assurance and inspection processes must meet extremely strict international standards. One of the most important accreditation systems for special processes is the NADCAP program, administered by Performance Review Institute. Today's session will help aerospace manufacturers, special process suppliers, and quality professionals understand NADCAP accreditation requirements, NAS 410 personal certification requirements, NET procedure development, audit preparation and gap analysis, personal training and qualification, consulting services available to achieve successful accreditation. Understanding NADCAP accreditation. NADCAP stands for National Aerospace and Defense Contractors Accreditation Program. It is a global cooperative accreditation system developed by major aerospace manufacturers to ensure consistent quality across special process suppliers. The program is managed by the Performance Review Institute, which conducts audits and issues accreditations to suppliers who meet aerospace process requirements. Major aerospace organizations participating in the NADCAP program include Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, GE Aerospace, Rolls-Royce Holdings. Suppliers performing special processes must obtain NADCAP accreditations to supply parts and services to these aerospace primes. Special processes commonly audited under NADCAP include heat treatment, non-destructive testing, welding, brazing, chemical processing, materials testing laboratories. Without NADCAP accreditation, it is extremely difficult for suppliers to enter the global aerospace supply chain. Now, role of NAS 410 in aerospace NDT. For companies performing non-destructive testing, personal certification must comply with NAS 410. NAS 410 is the aerospace industry standard for qualification and certification of NDT personnel. The standard defines 3 levels of qualification. Level 1 is personnel are trained to perform specific NDT inspections according to written procedures under supervision. Level 2 personnel can perform inspections, interpret results, and evaluate indications according to applicable codes and standards. Level 3 personnel are responsible for developing NDT procedures, approving inspection methods, training and certifying personnel, supervising NDT programs, ensuring compliance with aerospace standards. Our consultants at URGS International provide NAS 410 Level 3 consulting services to help organizations establish and maintain compliant NDT programs. NADCAP gap analysis and readiness assessments. Before applying for a NADCAP audit, organizations should perform a comprehensive gap analysis. A gap analysis compares the organization's current processes with the requirements defined in NADCAP checklists. During a typical gap analysis, our consultants review NDT procedures and work instructions, personal qualification records, equipment calibration systems, inspection process controls, documentation and traceability systems. The goal of the gap analysis is to identify weaknesses before the official audit. This significantly increases the probability of first-time audit success. Then next is NDT procedure development. One of the most critical elements of NADCAP compliance is properly developed and approved NDT procedures. Procedures must comply with aerospace specifications and industry standards, including requirements from ASTM International, aerospace material specifications issued by SAE International. Typical NDT procedures developed include liquid penetrant testing (PT), magnetic particle inspection (MT), radiographic testing (RT), ultrasonic testing (UT), eddy current testing (ET). All procedures must be reviewed and approved by qualified NAS 410 Level 3 personnel. Our consultants develop procedures tailored to NADCAP checklist requirements, customer aerospace specifications, facility capabilities and equipment. Now NAS 410 personnel certification programs. A fully compliant entity system requires a structured personnel certification program. Our Level 3 consultants establish certification systems including training programs for Level 1 and Level 2 personnel, written examinations, practical examinations, vision testing requirements, certification documentation. Organizations must maintain detailed records of training hours, examination results, certification approvals, recertification schedules. Proper documentation is essential during NADCAP audits. Mock audits and audit preparation. One of the most effective preparation methods for NADCAP accreditation is a mock audit. During mock audits, our consultants simulate the actual NADCAP audit process. This includes reviewing the NADCAP checklist, inspecting equipment calibration records, verifying personal certification files, evaluating inspection procedures. Any non-conformances found during mock audits can be corrected before the official audit. This significantly reduces risk of audit failures and major findings. Corrective action and root cause analysis. If non-conformances are identified during the NADCAP audit, organizations must respond with root cause analysis and corrective actions. Our consultants assist organizations in identifying true root causes, developing effective corrective actions, implementing preventive measures, preparing NADCAP audit responses. Effective corrective action responses improve chances of successful accreditation approval by the NADCAP task group. Industries we support. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports many industries within the aerospace supply chain, including aerospace component manufacturers, aircraft engine parts suppliers, landing gear manufacturers, fastener manufacturers, heat treatment facilities, welding and fabrication companies, composite manufacturing organizations, special process service providers. Our consulting services help companies become qualified aerospace suppliers. Remote and on-site consulting services. We provide flexible consulting support including remote consulting through online meetings, documentation review and technical guidance, on-site consulting for system implementation, training programs at customer facilities. This flexible approach helps organizations implement NADCAP compliant systems efficiently. At last, conclusion. To summarize, NADCAP accreditation is essential for organizations performing special processes within the aerospace and defense supply chain. Successful accreditation requires properly developed procedures, qualified personnel, documented inspection systems, strong process control. With the support of experienced consultants from URGS International, organizations can successfully achieve and maintain NADCAP accreditation. If your company requires support with NAS 410, Level 3 consulting, entity procedure development, or NADCAP audit preparation, please contact us. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching this session. Please like and subscribe our channel for further similar consulting contents from URGS International. Thank you.